Hello, my name is Thiago, and I'm going to present to you the project that we made for the Advanced Database class. Okay, so for this class, we made an aggregator of RSS. We call it FlipG. Let me enter the folder here of FlipG. There we go. So, the files that you see here is the files of the project. We developed the project using PHP and MongoDB. As we used Laravel as a framework, a backend framework. It's really lightweight and easy to use. The functions are straightforward. And until 3-4 months ago, I didn't know the framework, and Victor presented that to us, and we liked and started using right away. It's really good, it's really easy, as I said. And as a database, we used MongoDB. It's a document store database. It's really easy to use, and for our purpose, it's just perfect because it can just add the posts and the channels to the database. And it's really fast, and yeah, as I said, it's really used to just create a document and insert in the database. For the front end, we used AngularJS as a framework. It's powered by Google. And this framework specifically made our work really easy. And yeah, you can see the tags here in GApp and everything. It just helps you a lot to create the front end of your project. So, as I said, these are the files of the project. If you want to start the project, you can use the serve command, PHP artisan serve. Artisan is a executable that you can find. I wrote it wrong here. That you can find in the home folder of the project, the root folder of the project. So if you type PHP artisan serve, you start the server. Let me just start the MongoDB server here as well. Good. So the server is started. If I go here and type localhost, you can see FlipG running. So this is FlipG. This is the login page. If you type the email and the password here, you can log in. I want to create a new user here just for, I don't know. I want to call ABCD. I'm gonna put my email here, and as a password 123456. So since this is a new user, there is no post here. You can see nothing here. In order to add a new channel, you go here, click on channels, so you can copy and paste the URL of the RSS of any blog and put it here. So let's put, I don't know, Mashable. So this is the RSS of Mashable. I'm gonna put it here. You can see in the back there that the crawler already got the post of Mashable and put it there. Let's put another one. Let's put Huffington Post. So there you go. I added two channels here, the channel of Mashable and the channel of Huffington Post. You can see the post here, something about Silicon Valley, something about Snowden. This is a Mashable post. Yep. And you can see all the posts here. If you click on one post, the post is opened and you can read whatever is written in the post here. You can search for something, let's say social. See, there is still posts that has the word social in it. We search both by the body and by the title of the post. So if I search for, I don't know, let's see, security, that's right here. Security. We find the the post already that has this word in it. Really easy, right? So in order to collect these posts, we have, let me open another terminal before. In order to collect these posts, we have the crawler. The crawler, we have the, okay, so we have the command called collect, that is right here. This is the command collect. This is the class, the Laravel class. We have the fire method right here, and basically for each channel we just update the items there. So when I added the Mashable channel back there, this method here was called, and we updated the items of Mashable, and you can see the post right away. You can run this. You can run the, if you want to run the that command, you can use PHP artisan collect, and here you can pass the link. Sorry, here you can pass the link of the RSS. In this case, I'm gonna pass no, so everything is gonna be updated, and it's updating here everything. Everything was updated. There is one feed that cannot be found here, but yeah. And in order to that command work, we have the service here, the crawler. The update items that I showed you before is this one right here, this method. So for each channel, this method is called, and it basically just updates the database. For each post that is not inserted in the database, I just insert on it. And I have like a threshold. When I find a post that is already inserted, I just stop. I stop looking for new posts, since the posts are sorted by date. So yeah, so this is the project right here. I'm gonna show you now a little bit of the MongoDB, the structure, the documents and everything. We have these three collections: users collection, post collection, and channels collection. On the user collection, we have everything related to the users. So if I do let me do find one here to show you. So we have the list of channels that this user follows. In this case, Mashable and Huffington Post. We have the field created at, that shows when this document was created, the email, that is the email of the user, his name and his password. And this updated at, it's a MongoDB field, it just shows the last time this document was updated. For the channels, I want to do a find one as well to show you here how it is. We have the ID, that is the link for the RSS of that blog. We have description, a last date collected, that it helps us on the crawler back there that I showed you before. This helps to check when we have to stop collecting posts, when we already collected that post. We have the link, there's the link of the blog, the title, and the updated at. The same thing here as here in the users that I explained to you. And for on posts, we have this is a document that keeps, this is a collection that keeps all the posts of that blogs. So we have this blog here, Java Nerd, original blog. So and this is a post of this blog that we collected before. We have the ID here, the channel, this channel is the idea of this collection right here. So we have this link here is exactly the same as this channel that we have right here in this post, in this document, sorry. We have the title of the post, the published date, the date that that post was published, the body, that is the content, and the link of that post. So if I click here, I open it, and well, basically that's it. This was a, let me go back here. This was a really nice project. We really enjoyed to develop it. We could learn a bit more about MongoDB, how to do CRUD, how to insert, update, delete MongoDB, and how to integrate that with PHP, and using a good framework as Laravel and AngularJS. And it was a lot of fun to develop it. And that's it. Thank you.